What's up everyone, and welcome to Robeytech, where I, Justin Robey, aka Robey One Kenobi, talk tech with you wonderful people. Okay, so it's been a while since Alienware made headlines with anything, but this year at CES, they've got people abuzz with their Nintendo Switch looking concept called UFO. I am actually really excited about this. Now, while they're keeping the guts and bolts of the device a secret for now, it is a handheld device that can play PC games. What's that? PC games on the go? Heck yeah! The controller looks dope, and according to most reviewers, it feels solid, so fingers crossed that this ends up making it into production for key PC gamers that want to take their unplayed Steam library with them, so they can just feel bad about it being so close versus actually having it on their PC and feeling like they have no excuse to play them. Who knows? This might be the device that lets me clear out my list of shame on flights. Come on, Alienware, you need to make this real, because I got money to spend on you. Now let us know what you thought about the CES coverage this year and CES in general in the comments below. Now while you're down there, be sure to slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video. Also, head on over to mixer.com/RobeyOneKenobi and give us a follow over there for our live show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific. Also, be sure to drop us a follow over on Twitter and Instagram at Robey1Kenobi. And hey, we're on Facebook. Hello, 1984. We're over on Facebook at facebook.com/Robeytech. Thank you so much for watching. Now, go play some games or go look at some weird tech because there's lots more CES coverage coming up. #BeefyCores.